Whether you live on your own or are a busy parent, finding the time and energy to prepare home-cooked meals can seem like a daunting task. Cooking is all about creativity and experimentation, but sometimes you need some help. In this video, I'm going to show you some of the most useful kitchen tools and gadgets that will make cooking easier and more fun. Number 1, 4-in-1 Handheld Electric Vegetable Cutter. This portable electric food cutter has 4 multi-purpose features, including slicing, mincing, peeling, and cleaning. The ergonomic design avoids hand fatigue. It has a round filling hole so that lengthy items such as peppers, carrots, etc. may be directly inserted, eliminating the need for opening and twisting the lid. It is easy to clean by putting some dish soap in the intake, pushing the stir button, and then rinsing under running water for 5 seconds. Number 2, Watermelon Windmill Cutter Slicer. This windmill watermelon slicer is your ideal watermelon companion. With a kid-friendly, fun-to-use cyclone blade and a mess-free stainless steel groove design, you'll have watermelon cubes in seconds without having your hands dirty. It has a unique design and an ergonomic handle that is comfortable, non-slip, and easy to grip, allowing perfect cube-shaped slices every time. It even has a measurement tool engraved on the side to facilitate various thickness depending on your needs. The lightweight and compact design makes it simple to transport and store, making it ideal for use at home or on the go. The watermelon windmill cutter is easy to clean, simply rinse with water after use. Number 3, Dumpling Maker Machine. Do you still make dumplings by hand? Enough with the time-consuming, tiring, and sloppy method. The Dumpling Maker Machine is the answer to quick, easy, and efficient dumpling preparation. It's so easy to use. Even a beginner can operate and make beautiful wavy-shaped dumplings in a short period of time. The double-head automatic dumpling machine mold produces 2 dumplings at a time, quickly and easily. Place a round dough wrapper on the open press, add a spoon of filling, moisten the wrapper edges with water, and then press to seal. This dumpling maker mimics manual hand pressing, so you can be confident that the dumplings are snug, the skin is tightly closed, and the dumplings will not crack when cooked. Its design ensures that each dumpling is compact, well-proportioned, and visually appealing. Along with making dumplings, this device can also be used to make ravioli, mini pies, and pastries. Number 4, Pineapple Core Remover and Slicer. Say no to the tedious and time-consuming task of peeling and slicing pineapples. This simple but incredibly useful kitchen tool makes coring, peeling, and slicing fresh whole pineapples fast, efficient, and effortless. It has measurement markings to accommodate the depth of different-sized pineapples, an ergonomically comfortable handle for easily twisting through and removing the core, and a detachable wedger or slicer for creating chunks of pineapple that are ready to eat. You can now enjoy fresh pineapple whenever you want at home, thanks to this genius invention. Number 5, Multipurpose Automatic Pan Stirrer. You may free up your hands to perform other duties by letting this multipurpose automated stirrer stir for you. By pressing a button, it spins and stirs your food in your pan evenly. It has 3 speeds, high, medium, and low, to accommodate your diverse cooking demands. Its strong motor can quickly whisk egg batter, saving time and energy. It can be used to mix other ingredients too, like butter, cream, soup, sauces, etc. Number 6, Instant Egg Peeler. Shelling boiled eggs is 10 times faster and simpler with this automatic egg peeler. This ingenious design employs pressure to force the egg's air cell, a tiny pocket of air located at the egg's tip that causes the egg shell to separate from the egg. Simply place the egg on the device, top it with the pump, and press. The egg will pop out neatly deshelled. Number 7, High-Pressure Automatic Cup Washer Rinser. This automatic cup washer features high-pressure sprayer holes and multi-angle rotating water jets. You can rinse out residues quickly and thoroughly clean your cups without soaking or scrubbing. It conveniently rinses virtually any drinkware, from baby bottles to wine glasses to travel cups, saving you time and effort and making your life easier. It is the ideal complement to your kitchen faucet. This glass washer rinser is simple to set up on your own and takes only a few minutes. Number 8, Citrus Fruit Juicer Sprayer. This citrus juicer sprayer makes it simple to extract juice from lemons or other citrus fruits. It has a screw-like design that allows it to be easily inserted and secured inside the fruit while the juice fills the filter through the sprayer's holes. Number 9, Adjustable All-in-One Measuring Cups and Spoons. You can save time and space by having just one piece of kitchenware thanks to this cleverly designed kitchen tool, which combines measuring cups and spoons into one. The measurements feature on the side allows you to get the exact amount you need with a simple adjustment. To find your measurement, simply slide the button on the handle, fill the spoon with your ingredients, and pour into your bowl or pan. Additionally, it has an airtight seal to stop leaks when measuring liquids. This all-in-one measuring gadget is not only simple to use, but it is also easy to clean. This ingenious device is an absolute must-have in any kitchen. Number 10, 2-in-1 Meat Tenderizer and Marinade Infuser. Enjoy tender and flavorful meat dishes fast and easy. With this clever kitchen tool you can tenderize and flavor any kind of meat at the same time. It has stainless steel needles that's pierced to tenderize the meat and another 3 flavor needles that injects your preferred marinade into the meat. There are 2 depth settings for different thicknesses of meats. A lock for safety and room for up to 3 ounces of marinade. When done using it comes apart for easy cleaning and is dishwasher safe. Number 11, Multi-Compartment Dry Food Storage and Dispenser. With this large capacity dry food container, you can neatly store grains and other dry foods while keeping them fresh. It includes multiple inner movable partitions that let you store various types of dry food. The side-locking lid with silicone seals ensures that no air or water enters, keeping your grains fresh and dry. It features a clear shell design that makes it simple to keep track of the remaining quantity. Simply place the measuring cup beneath the grains you want to get and press the button to dispense the grains in the desired quantity. This dry food container not only allows for efficient food storage, but it is also pleasing to the eye and boasts a space-saving design that allows it to be mounted on the wall, freeing up counter space and allowing for better and more efficient space utilization. Number 12, 6-in-1 Multipurpose Cooking Spoon. This simple yet incredibly useful single cooking utensil can be used in a multitude of ways. Its innovative design is so adaptable that it may be used as a colander to drain liquids, to mash potatoes or other vegetables, to grate garlic or ginger, to separate eggs, or to whisk and beat eggs for the perfect scrambled eggs. It can also be used as a conventional cooking spoon for stir-frying and more. It's not only really handy, but it's also compact and easy to clean. If you enjoyed this video, please click the like button and subscribe if you want to see more cool and interesting inventions. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.